The Stoic Code.
Welcome to the Stoic Code, your space for timeless wisdom, where ancient philosophy meets the struggles of modern life. Today's topic cuts deep for so many parents. Have you ever poured your heart into raising your child, sacrificing sleep, dreams, and even pieces of yourself, only to feel like it's all gone unnoticed? Maybe your son barely looks up from his phone when you're talking, snaps at you for no reason, or even makes you feel like you're the problem. If you've ever felt unappreciated, overwhelmed, or heartbroken as a parent, know that you're not alone. You're in the right place. We need to talk about the pain of feeling unappreciated by the very person you've sacrificed so much for. You've given your all, those sleepless nights when they were sick, those moments when you put their needs above your own, those little sacrifices that went unnoticed. And yet, instead of gratitude, you're met with indifference. Instead of love, distance. Instead of respect, criticism. It hurts, doesn't it? It feels unfair and can make you question if you've done something wrong. But here's the truth. This isn't about blame, yours or theirs. It's about understanding and, more importantly, reclaiming your peace. Enter Stoicism, a philosophy that has stood the test of time because it teaches us how to find peace in the chaos of life. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." As parents, we often try to control everything: our child's behavior, their choices, their emotions. Stoicism reminds us that we can't control others. What we can control is how we respond. First, let go of what's outside your control, like your son's attitude or his choices, and focus on what is in your control, your own thoughts and actions. Instead of asking, "Why doesn't he appreciate me?" ask yourself, "Am I showing up as the parent I want to be?" This shift isn't easy, but it's powerful. When you stop chasing external validation and start living according to your values, kindness, patience, resilience, you take back your power. True strength lies in recognizing that while you can't dictate how others feel or act, you can choose how to respond with love and understanding. Now, consider perspective. When your son seems distant or disrespectful, it's easy to take it personally. But what if his behavior isn't about you at all? What if he's struggling with something he doesn't know how to express? Seneca reminds us, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Sometimes we create stories in our minds. He doesn't care. He doesn't love me. When the truth might be simpler. He's overwhelmed by his own emotions and doesn't know how to process them. Think back to your own teenage years. How many times did you feel lost or misunderstood? By approaching your child with empathy rather than frustration, you open the door to deeper communication and connection. Here's where Stoicism shines. You become the example. When your son lashes out or withdraws, resist the urge to react emotionally. Instead, show him what calm strength looks like. Epictetus said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." By staying grounded, even when it feels impossible, you teach him one of life's most valuable lessons: how to navigate emotions with grace. This isn't just about managing conflict. It's about creating a safe space where both of you can express feelings without fear of judgment. Encourage open dialogue by asking questions instead of making accusations. For example, rather than saying, "Why are you being so rude?" try, "I noticed you seem upset. Do you want to talk about it?" This simple shift can foster trust and understanding. And finally, remember that your worth as a parent isn't defined by whether your child says thank you. Your love matters, even when it feels invisible. Parenting is a long game. Seeds take time to grow. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Life is too short to carry resentment or pain over things outside our control. Instead, focus on living with integrity and love for yourself and for them. Take moments each day for self-reflection and gratitude for all you've done as a parent. Celebrate small victories, like a meaningful conversation or simply sharing a laugh over dinner. To every parent watching, you are enough. Your love matters, even when it feels invisible. With the wisdom of Stoicism as your guide, you can find peace no matter what challenges come your way. Every interaction is an opportunity for growth for both you and your child. Embrace this journey with patience and compassion. Thank you for joining us at the Stoic Code. If this message resonated with you, or if someone in your life needs to hear it, please share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more timeless wisdom every week. Find peace within.